This tutorial will show you how to get an add-on when you are in one of the Google products such as Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Forms. It's really very simple. I have a Google Doc open right here. I'm simply going to go to add-ons at the top, and at the bottom of that you can see I already have a number of add-ons there, but you'll see Get Add-ons. When you click on Get Add-ons, some of the most popular ones will be there, or you can type in what you are looking for. So I'm looking for an add-on that's called Translate Plus, and I see it's right here. It's free, so I click on that. And typically you're going to have something come up that's going to explain to you that you need to give access to this add-on and what account you want to. So you're going to choose the account that you're using, which I'm using my Bradley Schools account. And then I have to say allow that I am giving it permission to work within my documents. And there you have it. Now, if I click on add-ons, I can see that I have Translate Plus, and what Translate Plus does is it translates text into another language. Sorry, my computer is a little slow today. But over here, it would give me options of what language I want to translate into. So let's say that I wanted to translate it into Spanish. So it's telling me I need to select some text. I ask it to translate it, and it does. So there's a lot of helpful add-ons out there. I hope you find some that you can use. Good luck.